गोंयांत मोन जाती खातीर काम करपी खुबशे जाण आसात. मात 12-13 वर्सां पयलीं अशी परिस्थिती नाशिल्ली. 1-2 NGOच आशिल्ले. मोन जातीक राखपा खातीर कोणे तरी फुडें सरचे अशें दिसतालें. मात खंयचेंय काम स्वता कडच्यान सुरू जावंक जाय म्हूण बिझनेस करपाचो विचार सोडून मोन जाती खातीर काम केलें. म्हणटा आमच्या पॅट्रन सिरिजांतली पॅट्रन ग्रेस मागुसची राखी पुरी. 13 वर्सां पयलीं नितीन जॉर्जा बरोबर लग्न जावन बंगळुरूचे राखी गोंयांत आयले आनी सोमतेच मोन जाती खातीर काम सुरू केलें.
So I started with one, like I would see a dog or a cow or a bull or something in distress, and I would see what I could do by collaborating with those same NGOs that couldn't take the animals to say, guide me, tell me what to do. They would say, take it home, this is how you take care of them. And I have to thank WVS and I have to thank WAG. Now it's been almost 12-13 years I've been doing this work, and they continue to support and they continue to guide and help. But I tell people that this work is not, you can't do this alone. It's not a one-man job or a one-woman job. It is always a team effort.
भोवती सुणी बॅलन्स हालयनात, बॅलन्स राखतात. उंदीर कोळिंदर खावन तांचो आंकडो कंट्रोल करता.
Ideally, technically, our stray dogs hunt and eat rats and keep the rat population in control. If we didn't have our stray dogs, we would have a rat menace and a plague and all of that stuff.
गोंय मोन जातींक खंय स्वर्गलो.
If you compare us to any other state, I feel Goa is almost like a heaven for animals, especially our stray dogs compared to some of the other cities in the country, because there you actually hear of people getting assaulted, people who are getting hit on the head, women who are getting assaulted for feeding dogs.
What message would you like to give people who are basically animal haters and who abuse animals, who cruelty towards animals? What message would you like to give to them?
Number one, stop it immediately. If you see an act of cruelty, whether you like the animal, you like dogs or you don't like dogs, you like cats, you don't like cats, stop the act immediately. It's only a matter of time before people who are cruel to animals start extending that cruelty to people within their family.
खंयचेय जनावर पोसात, मात स्टेलाजूय करात.
Make sure every animal is sterilized and neutered. Every cat, every dog, rabbits, whatever it is you find that you have as a pet, please don't allow them to procreate. Even the ones in my house, they're all neutered and sterilized, because I can't be around all the time. They can get out, and I don't want them mating with each other. I don't want to be a backyard breeder. I don't want them making babies. What are we going to do with the pups?
चेतन गवसा बरोबर राधिका कामत सातोसकर, प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.